New fight begins in Middle East. Houthis join war in Middle East. Who joined the war? Iran responds to nuclear site attack. Who reacts to the attack? The situation is tense and dangerous. How is the situation? Many people watch for news updates. What do people watch? Peace efforts are very important now. What is important now? Let's learn 5 new words. Houthi. A group in Yemen. Retaliate. To fight back. Nuclear. Related to energy or weapons. Tense. Very stressful. Peace. No fighting. Who joined the fight recently? What did Iran respond to? What do many people watch?